See, there are a set of instructions given in this. So the first step is to assemble your pre-fitted screws from the back A and using the Allen key E. Okay, they are given a set of Allen keys here. These are the Allen keys used to unscrew all the screws given over here. Okay, this is your center stand. So these are the Allen screws. For this Allen key, we use smaller Allen key and unscrew it. Use this headrest, unbox this, and it goes in here like this. Okay, so this is screwed in. This adjustment works fine. Let us unscrew this. Here, just mate this with this and ensure that these brass washers are placed, or else it will have a tightening issue. Just place it loosely, do not tighten enough because we need to do adjustment. This is the center gas unit, wherein by pressing this it will go up and down, and also ensures that it has a revolving action. So that we have applied. Now let us get our rotating unit. We will marry this with our center unit. Now the assembly is done. This has a gas unit, so just press this knob, it will come down. Again press this, it will go up. So also in this, in order to control this movement, you'll have to just pull it front, so it will have a reclining action. If you do not want a reclining action, just come down and press it in, so it won't go in. So this headrest is also, so you can just put it down based on your height, you can adjust. So here there are two knobs. These knobs can be used to go up and go down. So this is what a simple chair installation looks like. Pretty easy to do. All the necessary tools have been placed inside this box itself, so you need not to go look for any additional tools. With this half an hour's time, if you have, you can save 350 bucks. If you want to see much more informative day-to-day home repair or any other installation videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, so that it motivates us and it helps us to create much more content for you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.